Hello and welcome to the 2024 Point in Time Count Survey 123 training. In this training, we'll be discussing how to download the app, how to check into the Point in Time Count, how to record observations, and how to send your data out to ASR. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your App Store, and in the search bar, type in Survey 123. This is what the app should look like. You're going to go ahead and press Get to install it on your iPhone. Alright, now that we've downloaded the app, I wanted to talk a little bit about how to check into the Point in Time Count. It is very important that you check in with ASR prior to conducting the count. There are 3 ways to check in. The method you use will depend on which county you're counting in and whether you're a volunteer or an outreach provider. The first method is to check into a deployment center. There will be a number of deployment centers around the county. The attendee will be able to check you in, get your maps, and send you on your way. The second method is only for pre-approved outreach providers. If you've discussed remote text message check-ins with ASR, you can text your name and track number to 831-332-6800 and we can get you checked in. The third method is to use the sign-in form. There should be a link to sign in from the emails we've sent you. If not, you'll need to head over to a deployment site. To get into the sign-in form, you'll go ahead and move over to your emails, select the sign-in form link, open in Survey 123 Field app, allow access to the camera, continue without signing in. At this point, Survey 123 will ask to use your location. Select Allow while using app. And this is the check-in form. The first things you'll need to enter are your name, the county you're counting in, your assigned census tract, your phone number, and the current date. Alright, now that you've entered in all that information, you'll go ahead and press the check mark in the bottom right corner of the screen and press Send Now. At this point, you're officially checked into the Point in Time Count. From here, you'll go over to your email again, find the observation survey, enter in your phone number, email address, and census tract. And after you've entered in this information, you'll be ready to make some observations. Let's go over a few examples. Let's say we see an individual that appears to be in their early 30s and is on the street. We'll start off by pressing the targeting icon to pinpoint our exact location. Confirmed under confirmed or suspected. Individual under individual or family. Street or outside under dwelling or vehicle type. 25 to 34 under age. After that, we'll go ahead and press the plus button to continue on to the next entry. Let's go over another example. In this one, we observed a family of 3 that included 2 adults who appear to be in their late 20s and a child under the age of 18 on the street. We'll start off by pressing the pinpoint button. Confirmed under confirmed or suspected. Family under individual or family. Under how many total family members, we'll type in the number 3. In this section, we'll bubble in the age of each family member. We thought the 2 adults were in their late 20s, so we'll bubble in 25 to 34. Then press this forward-pointing arrow with a 1 of 3 to the left of it. Again, we'll bubble in 25 to 34. Forward arrow. And then we'll bubble in under 18. Under dwelling or vehicle type, we'll select street or outside. Again, to move on to the next entry, we'll press the plus button located near the bottom right corner of the screen. Let's go over another example. Let's say we see an RV that appears to be inhabited, but we can't tell if anybody's inside. Again, we'll start off with the pinpointing icon. Suspected under confirmed or suspected. RV under dwelling or vehicle type. No under is this observation part of an encampment. And then we'll ask for the last 4 digits of the license plate number. We ask for the last 4 digits of the license plate number to avoid any duplication. After that, you'll go ahead and press the plus button to move on to the next entry. Let's go over another example. Let's say we observed an individual who appears to be in their early 20s standing outside a tent. We also observed a tent directly next to this one with an individual who appears to be in their late 70s standing outside of that tent. Again, we'll start off with the pinpoint icon to pinpoint our exact location. Under confirmed or suspected, we'll select confirmed. Individual under individual or family. Tent or makeshift structure under dwelling or vehicle type. Under is this observation part of an encampment, we'll select yes. Under age, we'll select 18 to 24. To move on to the next person, we'll press the plus button. And again, we'll press the targeting icon to pinpoint our location. Confirmed under confirmed or suspected. Individual under individual or family. Tent or makeshift structure under dwelling or vehicle type. Yes under is this observation part of an encampment. And 65 plus under age. Again, to move on to the next entry, we'll press the plus button located near the bottom right corner of the screen. Let's do one more example. Let's say we see 3 tents that appear to be inhabited, but we don't see any individuals standing around them. Again, we'll start off with the targeting icon. Suspected. Tent. Yes. And now we'll repeat these steps 2 more times for the other 2 tents. Again, we'll start off with the targeting icon. Suspected. Tent. Yes. Plus button. Targeting icon. Suspected. Tent. Yes. If this is the last observation of the census tract, you'll go ahead and press the check mark in the bottom right corner. Press send now. And now you've officially sent off the data for tract 9999.99. To go into your next tract, you'll go ahead and press the observation form again. Press collect. And here we are ready for another tract. Thank you for agreeing to participate in the 2024 point-in-time count. If you have any questions, please email alex@appliedsurveyresearch.org.